Hi everyone, welcome back. Let's solve another SQL problem. Problem number 176, second highest salary. Let's take a look at the problem statement. We are given a table called employee. This table has two columns. ID is the primary key for this table. Each row of this table contains information about the salary of an employee. Our task is to find the second highest salary from the employee table. If there is no second highest salary, then we return null. Alright, so let's take a look at the examples. Example number 1, employee table has ID number 1, 2, 3, and the second highest salary is the ID number 2, which is 200. So we return second highest salary, 200. For example number 2, if there is no second highest salary, we return null. Alright, so let's solve this problem. I will be using dense rank for this problem. So first I'm gonna select ID, salary, and dense rank over, going to order by salary. Right, and we need to find the second highest salary, so we need to order it in descending order, and we call this column rank from employee. All right, so let's run this. As you can see, I have the rank for the salary. 300 is the highest salary and 200 is second highest salary. So we are going to select salary as second highest salary. We select from this subquery and we call this rank table, right? Where rank is equal to 2. So let's run this. So we pass case 1, right? Because there is second highest salary. Let's see case 2. Because there's only 1, we should return null. In this case, for the employee table where there's only one row, one value, dense rank will not return null value. So for this one, if there is no value, the rank here is gonna be blank. So in order to get the null value, we will do select max salary, and if there's no max, there will be a null. So let's submit that. All right. And another way we can write this without using the max salary here is, let me run this. I just want to show you why max would work, but we can't even use if null, right? Because if null, the salary has to be null, but in this case there is no rank for that. There's no second highest salary and the value is not even null, it's just blank. So we don't have that value, so it's not null. It's just, so we need to pick like a max salary. We need to return where we do some aggregation and will return null. So if null will not work in this case, and there is another way to solve this without using the dense rank. We can do, let's take a look at the description. So I'm going to select salary from employee. We order by salary in descending order, limit 1, 1. So what does this row do? The limit 1, 1 here, this is the offset. So in here, limit offset 1, we will return the row number 2, 1 record. So this is the offset, and this is the number of rows that limit return. And if we run this, we'll see that, let's see case 2, case 1, the 200, which is the second highest, we ordered by salary descending, so it's going to be 200, 300, 200, and 100. And we return the second row, which is limit 1, and we only return 1 record, which is this record only, right? And then we are going to, and if this is null, so now in case of null, we can do select if null. All right, so if this is null, this whole subquery, right, then we return null as that. Okay, let me indent this so you can see better. Right, so this is our query. Select if this whole thing is null, if we don't return anything and the value for this one is null, then we assign the null value to the whole subset, and we call it second highest salary. All right, so here we have the null value for when there is no second highest salary. Let's submit that. Let's take a look here. So for, oh, because now we have salary, we need to select distinct salary. Let's try it again. All right, I passed all the test cases. Runtime 502 milliseconds, beats 38.53% of users with MySQL. All right, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video.